Job mo eh. Oo, guys. Okay. Sure.
Hey guys! Welcome back to a whole new video where we're going to film a get ready with us for 5 minutes. So it's like the 5-minute makeup challenge. I think it is the 5-minute makeup challenge. So we're gonna do a full face for just in 5 minutes. I usually do my makeup for I think 20, maybe 30 minutes. How about you?
I do my makeup for 20 minutes.
Wow. She's quick. I'm very slow with
No,
my
because
makeup.
I don't put foundation. So,
Yeah, we don't put foundations. Let's tie our hair and get ready for the challenge.
Yes.
Let's see who won. Comment
will
down.
win? Who will win?
Oh, sorry. Let's see who will win.
na kagad. Tapos na.
Let's see who will
Video
win.
guys, salamat. Tapos na. May nanalo na to.
Comment down below who will win after this challenge. And if you like more videos like this, makeup challenges, like this video and comment down below. Subscribe to see more videos from us and turn on that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding.
I don't know if that sounds like that. At least, I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
I will be doing the...
Oh my
I
gosh.
have no idea.
I'm so nervous.
I don't know. I don't know if you can see it. It's like...
can you see this? Nope. Nope, they can't. They can't see it.
Yeah.
But she's setting the timer for 5 minutes. And
Oh, is it timer? Oh no, yeah, timer pala. Joke lang.
I'm also gonna put it here on the screen if I can do that with my editing skills. I doubt it.
Yeah, I will be putting. Well, I don't know if you can see that. Whatever. What do you
They
do that
can
in
see.
makeup char? Okay, whatever. And so 5 minutes. Whew! Oh my gosh, I'm not ready for this. Do you have your mirror now? Where's
Yes,
your mirror?
this is my mirror.
Oh, that's your... Okay, let's try our best. Okay, so in 3.
Is this your first thing that you're using, by the way?
Yeah.
This is also my first thing. Alright.
Ayaw mo mag-color pop kasi.
Alright, okay. I'll just do my brows first. So we only have one concealer, that's why we're battling.
Yes.
Alright.
Tipid kasi. Yeah. So, in 3. Oh
Wait,
my
where's
gosh.
my kilay? Okay.
Wait, I
Oh
don't
my
want to. Wait a minute. Wait, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Okay, what? May buhok pa? Ano ba yan? I got this technique from that guy.
Oh my gosh, bakit kinakabahan ko? Ang nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Oh, wait a minute! Cancel! I did it for 5 hours! Ano ba? Okay, so we're gonna do this for, 4 minutes kasi we already put here.
Okay, 4
So,
minutes and 55 seconds.
Wow!
Yes.
Alam mo naman.
Please! 4 minutes and 55.
50? 10 seconds na yun eh.
Wait, 55
Oo, kasi
lang.
yung isa 4:51 na. Oh, okay, 50 seconds
Okay,
na.
fine. 51 na.
Para hindi talaga mukhang cheating.
Okay.
Okay? Go! Oh my gosh! Okay. 5 minutes sounds like a really long time when you're waiting in line, especially in banks. But when you're putting makeup, it's the blink of an eye. So yeah, basically I start my makeup with just concealer. I don't put foundation kasi mayabang ako, feeling makinis. So I simply put my oh my gosh, 4 minutes na lang.
I'm happy with my skin already. That's why I don't put foundation.
Yeah.
Even though I'm not that flawless, but I think my skin can handle this.
Uy, grabe, concealer. 1 minute na! May gulay naman yan. Right there. And then up, that's my concealer. That's Maybelline Form, Fit Me?
It's okay. I'll just be putting them on the screen.
Oh, yeah.
The product.
And then I put Just Beauty Powder, diba? Oh, wala nyo ah. Saan na yung foundation? Oh my gosh. Where is that thing? Did it fall? Where's the...
Ano yun?
Yung
Here.
Hindi yung ito. Grabe. Ang tagalan pa dahil. Oh my gosh, it took 20 seconds of my time. Just finding the right brush. I just put powder in my face. And there. Then I put in my neck. Filipino way talaga. Ganyan lang. Aray kong init. And then I fix my powder. Ay, grabe. 3 minutes na lang.
Alright, done with my brows. Next is
Next,
concealer.
I put my brows. Concealer brows. Important. Ay, ano ba yun? Tapos lang. Mal-realize mo na sobrang ganun pala mag-makeup. challenge ka na. Oh my gosh. Actually, what I'm doing right now is what I do every day when I do my makeup.
Yeah, this is basically my makeup look every day as well.
Yeah.
But this is just the ultra quick version.
Sana matino pa rin itsura niya. Oh my gosh, the brows is scary. There we go. Okay, we got. Okay, now I'm done with that. And now I'm putting my blush. It's also Maybelline.
How many How many minutes?
2 minutes.
What?
And now I'm putting my blush on. Actually, patapos na ako, minasan. Oh, diba?
I think so too. Me too.
And now I'm putting my lipstick. This is Polar Pop.
I feel like
What's
I
this?
still
Zuma?
need more concealer.
Yeah. We
I
got
can't hold the mirror anymore. Flying brushes. Flying hair. Electric fan battles. Struggles.
yeah.
We just use the baby powder to set our makeup.
There. And because there's still a minute left, so I will be putting a eyeshadow. Just a base eyeshadow. Just a base eyeshadow because a base eyeshadow is awesome. There's 50
I'm already on
seconds
the
left.
blush. 50 seconds left.
Yep. Yeah, I'm so cool. Oh my gosh.
I can't put highlighter anymore.
Oh my gosh, I forgot the highlighter! That's what I've been thinking! I feel like I'm missing something.
I'm just gonna put the lipstick first.
37 minutes left.
There's a minute.
30 seconds left. Okay, see? And now I'm putting my highlighter because highlighter is important.
Oh my god. Nagpasagpas na siya.
19 seconds.
Oh my gosh, isang seconds. Mayroon ako, hindi may highlights.
Oh, your brush. Sorry. Here we go.
Ilang seconds?
At 7 seconds. And I'll just blending my eyeshadow properly. Because, you know, it's just pink. Seconds! Oh my gosh! Okay. We're just missing. That's it. Can I see your face? Oh, you look cute. This is my face.
Wow.
Yeah.
You've done well. I think you won because you even get to put eyeshadow.
It's just like base eyeshadow. I didn't even put the crease thing. So yeah. See, that is my makeup. Yeah.
So this is what happens if you only have 5 minutes. I think it's pretty nice, is it? Let
Actually,
me borrow your mirror.
yeah. Yeah, see, you look nice.
Wow. It still looks nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna...
In reality though, if I do my makeup every day, I don't put the eyeshadow. Yeah. This is an additional because I still have
Yeah, me too. I don't put eyeshadow as well. Maybe sometimes I put eyeliner.
Yeah. But you know, I put this in it because you know there's still extra time. Because I forgot to put my highlighter, but I did!
Sometimes I also put mascara, especially I just learned how to.
I don't put mascara because it's hard to take it off
Yeah.
at night. I don't wanna. It's so hard. Sorry about that.
So yeah, that's our 5-minute makeup. We have these spectacles, gloss spectacles. See, that is all look every single day. Do you like it? Do you like it? So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video.
Our hair is shiny in this video.
Yeah, our hair.
Our hair isn't this shiny.
So to the wind. That is the wind of glory.
And yes, that is our 5-minute challenge.
I hope you guys like it and give it a thumbs up if you do. And we'll see you guys again next time. Bye! Oh, maybe I should do this. Oh no, stop. Stop! Ow! Okay, it won't stop.